Kani ketika Darshun Meghalaya, but ni bidang sampai pi baru syakatup kubor minta kejan mit. Shwaban pas ki kubor berbina impet cuai kemat pekongsan. Lakam yo bor ukni nong yalam ke Slovakia, hadian ke jing sumar, Henry rang don jingma, penrem jur umudi halor kani ke jingja. Beli Menteri ya kerensan ya ko Miss Universe Meghalaya, Habibanta. Pular ke Sorkar bencim kiai ki jing haki jakat ho exam CUET. Peta ke Sorkar ki District Council dan Menteri Kamya ki jing wan ra jing kalaban penyak bet ya UP ya ke kontrak. Bat ke jing song tak DGP kan tak ya ke jing tok persya EU ong Menteri rang tak kejela. Ki kubor ki babnya. Menteri rang pak duo ke Slovakia, Robert Fico, mentah kesengi udon hapedeng ke jengma Henry ulah kami obor. Ong ke telung kubor na ke hospital hadin ba ulah syaksiat sansin dak jeng temu ben peniap EU. Hakobai ke liang ke papen pau ke jeng pat ya pra ki kamsan pertai hapok keri. Haba penram ya ketiga jengja Menteri rang pak duo keri Narendra Modi ulah pensengau lingba ke rensan lat patai X dak ke boong. Bagadai ke kam kauput bat ke bapenjak buram bat kitbok kit riang ya Menteri rang bak dua ke Slovakia nak bentar ke jengkot jengkia ke jong Menteri ketenat kam jengok kai pertai bat lariti ubak polling do hinin kesi ulap le ke rensan ya kop Miss Universe Meghalaya haga jengelang kablalong Habibanta kendailat. Kajing yalang kelas dang da kajing pelat ya ke logo jong ketika rensan Yakob da usembut kongsan ubah Frederick Roy Karkungor IAS bot sekajing batai benia alor ke Miss Meghalaya Glamanan Entertainment Private Limited but ke Miss Universe India naka Miss Meghalaya berminta kesamla Stella kongsi bat Amjad Khan. Haka jingkren jong kongsan bak lingdo ula banjur halor kisian jam jong ke Sorkar ban kershan bat ban kentiu ki khon samla ke jela kam tam haka put ke tembat kasap kepong. Menteri ula palai ru ya ke pansngat jong ke rensan kop Miss Universe Meghalaya kawan salongshen.
Foremost on behalf of the Miss Meghalaya organization.
Sophia started her career at a very young age, the guest of honor.
Today, I can say with a lot of confidence that Meghalaya has arrived. And where our soft skills are concerned, the sky is the limit. As we speak, our boys from Riasamtia, from Jayao, Dapes is performing on the 11th at Dubai with the sponsorship and support of the Tourism Department of Meghalaya. Daniel's aim has taken our fabric to Milan last year. These were not opportunities available to our young people even 10 years.
Ka Sorkar jela kalakular ban shimkia halor kin ungkin ugijing ke bedai bagi jakat ho exam CET ki bedan hapok ke jela. Kani ka kerwo kalawan hadian bakanehu ka wain ki jakat ho exam CET hapok ke jela kala sakhi ke kenram. Hapok kedau ba ke CET kam day hapok ke jengkmi jong ka Sorkar jela Menteri rang ba ukon ret kesang maulaong belada dan kinu ki jeng sngokya ke Sorkar kan sapen sngo ya kani shikibor bedekmi.
Last in cabinet elections.
So, we can tell us plus minus what is it?
I don't speak here. Can we? I have not heard of any mismanagement. Number one. Number two, the CUT exam is conducted by central agencies. It's not conducted by the state government, and therefore it is completely in their jurisdiction. The CUET exam, again, a reminder to everybody. Is mainly for the exams that are being conducted, for college admissions in the center in the NEHU NEHU courses. And that is the reason why today, after the amendment to the Captain Williamson Sangma University, we will be able to now affiliate all the colleges from NEHU to the state university, so that any college that is not planning to have any kind of course affiliated with NEHU doesn't need to affiliate with NEHU anymore in the future. And they will.
Kum Shibanta ban penyat bet ya rinti ke rukom trekam haka jo kopor ban pelong ki district council ki shlem ki bedap babiang haka liang ka khajna ka sarkar jilla klap tha ya ki district council ban pen trekam ya ka jingwan ra jingkala ban penyat bet ya rinti ke rukom trekam jong ki lightly ki district council hapo ka jilla ka sarkar jilla hinin kasi kala penlong ya ka jingalang bat ki lightly ki district council banyak keran halor ki lat kelinti kumdung ban ya chakmat bat kani kam Umentri Rangbak Kejelau Konred Kisang Maulaong babaro lightly ki district council hapo kejela kin sapentri kam no klo ya ki matrekam halor ke human resource service rule but kam pisah ha kabala thauru ika committee bekerpang ke sarkar kala kentu ki district council banwan ra ik matrekam ka bebit bebiang halor ke thungkam thungjam.
Look at the overall administration and the different rules, whether financial or HR or procurement policies, and ensure that wherever the district councils felt. The objective of this meeting was in three different objectives. First objective was to look at the overall administration and the different rules, whether financial or HR or procurement policies, and ensure that wherever the district councils felt that they needed the support of the government and to work with the government in guiding them to ensure that the different rules are in place. We discussed all those details, and we are hopeful that all the district councils will put in their different administrative, HR, service rules, procurement policies, financial policies at different levels in all the district councils at the earliest.
Umentri Rangbak Kejelau Konred Kisang Mahnin Kesi Ulaong ba kajing song that jong DGP Baminta Ulalja Ram Bishnoi kan keta kajing tokit persai u. Ulaong baladat ban ujor I jahar bat kumta kajing tokit kan beteng bat kajing song that jong u kan keta satiai kajing tokit. Ki pulit Kejelau kelapan ngat mukot duma persai Bishnoi. Hadian bu he pulit basyak sospon. Uba Gabriel ke yang rai ula ujor I jahar dak bakeno ba u DGP. Barem ula pendon kam do number plate thok haka kali ba ai ban pendon kam yu Umentri Rangbak Kejelau laong bakaan kalong kumjo ya baro bat kumta kan sele ya ka bedon kam.
For us it's very simple that when a complaint comes every FIR is a proper case, and as per the law whatever has to be done and as per the rules what has to be done will be followed irrespective of who the person is. The FIR is lodged and FIR has already been registered, so the case will continue. Registration, the investigation will continue. There's no retirement doesn't affect that.
Ka Civil Hospital Shillong kelapan tip ba namar ka jing thut ha ka jing trikam jong ka reverse osmosis plan ka baju pendon kam ban pentelun yaki kam ha ka dialysis unit. Kinong pang ki ban wan pha sumar kila ban kendu jing Henry minta la dat ban snaya ka. Ka medical specialist in charge jong ka dialysis unit ka Dr. Catherine Marbanyang Klaong banaduk ba ka Civil Hospital Shillong kelas dang ya ka dialysis unit husnam 4,000 khatnyo kila don kumbas sau pesan ngut kinong pang Henry ka jing pendap ya ka jing sumar da ka ni ka tanat kalong sau spa prapo ha ka por belas dang ya ka Henry kat ba ki snem kinang ya ka jaka sumar kalanang ban kia bat menta ki don hadu 4,000 praspa prapu sau teli bat kumta ka kam kalanang kia Kuman cukudau hang ni dangshan lami kubor bekinong pang kilamat jing na baka dialysis unit ha Shillong Civil Hospital kam trekam.
And then we can there has been a little confusion about the services that we are rendering here recently.
But now it's already functioning. everything has been done from the government side, from civil hospital as well as from the government side. Everything has been done, and we have already resumed back our work. And we could just tell that we have lots of patients load in dialysis. So maybe we might not be able to cater almost all the patients who are, especially the poor people, coming for dialysis in civil hospital because of the load. So now, since we started our dialysis in 2017, we have around 45 patients, but the total number of cycles we are doing is only 480 in 2000 when we just started the dialysis. But with years passed by, we have being overloaded with our work. We have around now 2,884. You could just understand the burden we are facing.
Deputy Commissioner but Chairman ka District Disaster Management Authority East Giant Hills District nekasngi ulapan benabo layo pediang ka kaipot baka jingking asilinter ka surok ba NH6 ha kasnong pertakuna hapo lumsnong CNRD block kelas ni haringkat ka jingmi syajrong jong kinarot nakitay ka benta hakaway kalyang ka bala ban po jingmaya kipat ba ling ba kitay jinglong jingman kibla ka daw hangni Deputy Commissioner but Chairman ka District Disaster Management Authority East Giant Hills District ulai jengmut kipat ba nong let nong wan bat ki kali ban shim ki lat kilenti ban yada kumju bat ban bot ki kendon penyat kali haba jam shiliang jong ka jengking khnang ban lat nakanu kanu ka jingja ka besosi tat hadu panda la ban pendep ya ka kam dak office ka badai ban khmi Ka State Council of Science, Technology and Environment, Meghalaya hinin kasi kalapan long yak program ay jangi kay nagbenta ki kena Class 12 Science sa St. Peter Vannis Hall, Pendeng Ray, West Khasi Hills. But penkre iki nakabenta ka Joint Entrance Examination but ka National Eligibility Come Entrance Test. Sa pungut ki kena Science na kaleng ka District Lawan Banishin benta ka program. Ka Meghalaya Star 30 Project, Katmu banjit ya live hongut ki kena ki bedon sak ban penkre nakabenta ka examen JEE but live hongut nakabenta ka exam NEET. Dr. Varun Murthy ka Rebuild India Foundation Bangalore ulawan banishin benta ka ni program kum resource person.
Right test. Let's say I give you 2 weeks and I give you a set of chapters to prepare for the test. That is the guidance required. Your fears are real. Test based on the short term. That is why when we go to the final exam and we want to take the final exam preparation, many topics, many chapters appear new. We feel like we have never studied it. We will be learning it for the first time, kind of, because we did not allow you to develop in the mind. So, assessment should be fair, assessment should be real, assessment should not be of recent memory, assessment should be of understanding of concepts, and assessment should be a guide for you to work on the concepts that are not strong. So these are the 5 challenges that we have to work on to prepare for any exam, whether it is NEET, JEE or any exam that you want to take in life. If you just stick to your books, you will not be successful.
Ban pensel thu pat ba kham tami ki khna pule halor ki an paper ka District Legal Service Authority Ribhoi District hapo ka jingpet ka nalsa manda ka sngi ka lapan long ya ka program a jing hikai ha ka snong tasor ha ka ba lai shimenta ki nong snong mat ki khna pule ka kong B lamare but ka kong M namsao Legal Aid Council Ribhoi District lai wan kum ki resource person ki lapan shai but pensel thu halor ki an paper badon kam kum ka free legal aid and services Nalsa 1500 helpline NDPS Act 1985, JJK Protection of Children Act 2015, POXO Act Arhajar Khat Ar, Protection of Women from Domestic Violence Act Arhajar San, but can Minimum Wages Act Khat Kandai Saupu Prali Bas Law.
Lingba ke dor ba thau ai hangla ne na sidau ki ba ka jing A John Constitution trong cái em ya cái cái apa đó gender neutral kalau kamu berkata ketentu both boys and girls tadi ketik sembilan no kamu berkata kalian ketik jadi kena sembilan no habuk kene kan habuk kene kendal orang yang di sembilan yang ketik sudah kalau kamu ba kikna red habuk senam habuk news senam kimla dan syakir kan pagkiliya makirula kaan kaong bagi kenal habuk news senam kipulet kimla dan kerja ki soto
Kamonlang Village Organisation jong kasnong mauring kang kala rakhe ya ka jing dap south nem ka jong ka hinnen kaski kani ka jing rakhe ka pen pau ka jing tre shitom bat pen kubor ya kilong kmi ha ka te kasnong u MLA kanong po uba meral bonds e mulai shimbenta ha kani kasngi kum ukongsan haba ai jing kren u MLA ula ai ka jing ro ya kani ka seng ha lordship on ki kam ki jing tre kam ki jong ka ha ka ban pen kubor ya kilong kmi bat ban kentiu ya krukom im ka jong ki Ula ai jing ro ya ka Monlang Village Organisation na kabenta ka jing tre kam bashit hem jongka halor ka jing play shipon ki lat klenti ibla wanra jing kala ka jing im jong ki long kmi ha ka snong
nga ai ku play ya ki nang sham snong yawan lang ban panship tan singan ha ka ne
Tun ko po ang TNG. Presiden Barim in Pentun ha i Presiden Pumay. Presiden Pumay in Pentun ha Presiden Barim.
Thank you.
Shibun kilat kilenti kibaka sorkar pedeng ke sorkar jela lengba jongka NRLM skim jong sorkar pedeng banyarap syaki longkemi banyarap syaki SAG bakin yang halaki jom tidak the convergence scheme ban snaik office kadikawi ni kisinjam kiba misong kemen bani hi namar bahagi senen kiba mensua mla ban sna office lengba ka convergence scheme MG NRG kiba bun GBO kijuan mi na kabenta ban hiyo office kamlong ka masuk yengi kum ginong mikmat ru ban hiyo office haman la kisnong ma GBO kumala ban sumpu kilagan haman la kisnong la stang ka tuk ane
Mentang ni pek jenglang jman kesim neng hanom ba shalong ka jing shit kalong 8 degree Celsius ba jing kre kalong 0.1 degree Celsius ka jing skam ka hau kalong nyo puwe na ka shi spa min step bat khandai pu pra na ka shi spa janmit ka jing hap slap kalong khat lai point pra millimeter kala benon ka jing hap slap ka ba malumala bat ka jing tir perthat hakikat tu ka ne ki jaka Shwaban posh buku jang thup ku bawng pe biang se sin yakimat pakongsan Lakam yo bor ukli no yalam ke Slovakia hadian ke jing sumar Henry rang don jingma penrem jur umudi halor ke ni ke jingja Beli menteri ya ke rensan ya ko Miss Universe Meghalaya Habibanta Pular ke sarkar banchim kiai ki jing ha ki jakat ko exam CUET Betha ke sarkar ki district council ban pentri kam ya ki jingwan ra jing kalaban penyak bet ya EP ya ke kontrak Bat ka jing shong that u DGP kan ta ya ke jing tok persya u ong menteri rang ba ke jela Ti parlok ketung la poisha bakut jong tup ku bawah jing meta ka janmi haduk mende syam yang bal pila syai ke singi ku blai pi baro